back to my channel where we get pretty, stay pretty, and act pretty. Okay, period. I am JahnisMonay, and I do make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and connect with me on my social media at JahnisMonay. So today I am so excited about this new look that I do have going on. Already guessed it, yes, it's from Yolissa's Hair. So this is like a beachy summery blonde look that I've been wanting for a while, but this was just so on point. Like the highlights were so on point that I'm just obsessed. Like I don't want to take it out. I want it to stay with me forever. But we're gonna get all into the details on this look in the video. Make sure you check out the description box below for the exact link and more details on this hair. Let's get right into it.
Okay babes, let's get right into it. Again, this hair is from Yolissa Hair, and this is like a beautiful blonde bombshell unit, perfect for summer. So we are going to install her, but before we do, I'm just going to do a quick rundown on this hair. So this hair is 26 inches. It's very full to the end, and y'all will not believe I did no bleaching, no coloring, no dyeing, whatever you want to say to this unit. It came pre-colored, and that is what makes it a beginner friendly unit. For someone that doesn't know how to get these type of highlights themselves, you can just go to Yolissa and get this unit, and it's just that easy. Also, I did no plucking and no bleaching on the knots. For the knots, I added foundation to my lace, and for the actual unit, I just co-washed it and we were ready to roll that same day. So if y'all don't know, I love this even lace spray. I use it faithfully. This has actually taken place of the regular glues for me. I rather just use my even lace spray or the gel and go about my day. For the look we are achieving today, I will be doing curls, so we'll get into that shortly.
You don't even know nothing about it, yeah. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. See my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? Yeah. Tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you more, just slow, just split you in half in my heart.
The curls are for the girls, okay? So for these curls, I'm just using I believe this is a 1/2 inch curling iron. I'm using this, and I'm just gonna curl my hair away from my face. That's the number one thing I can say when curling your hair. There's plenty of curling videos out there, but the number one thing I like to do when I do curl my hair is pin curling it up and letting that heat stay in the hair for at least 30 seconds to a minute. I just feel like that helps my curls last longer. And then I also spray it down with the spritz, and I usually have my curls all day long. I have repeated that step all over my head, and I feel like the most trickiest part about doing this curling is when it gets to the top. You just have to make sure it falls the way you like it. But other than that, I feel like a bombshell. These curls and this color, girl, like it's giving supermodel, okay? Because that's what I am. But this is the final look. Let me know how y'all feel in the comments, as well as check out my Instagram. I will be having pictures coming up in this unit for you to check out. So thank you again for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit subscribe so you can join the pretty team and the pretty bobs that we do have over here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, babes. Don't you ride around taking my way. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need.